We'll guide you through how to allow camera and microphone permission in Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Google Chrome, and so you're wanting to go and use your camera and microphone. Perhaps you're trying to go and have a meeting, for example on Google Meet, or you're trying to go and record something. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. And at the end, you can be able to go and be using your camera and microphone in Chrome and on different websites. So make sure it's this full guide step by step and don't skip anything as we're covering important things throughout this whole video. So to go and get started, you want to come into Chrome as we currently are. Now we need to go and head to the top right, and there you're going to go and find the three dots which you need to go and click on. You're going to go and get a list of options. You then want to go down and find the option for settings right at the bottom like so. It's got the gear or cog icon. Here we are. Now what we need to do is go and locate the permission settings. So to go and get there, it's much easier than you probably think. What you can do is come over to the left and find privacy and security. On this page, you then need to go and scroll all the way down to the last option, and we should go and see site settings. Alternatively, you can press search at the top and go and type in site settings if you're struggling to go and find them. And as you can see, here we are. So we can go and control what information sites can use and show. Once you're on the site settings, you need to come down into permissions, and we're going to find camera and microphone. Let's go and start with camera. So at the top here, you can go and choose the camera. By default, Chrome will go and use. So in this case, I'll just go and select Droid Cam, select the one you want to use. Then in default behavior, this is super key. We need to go and set it to sites can ask to use your camera. So this is going to be the automatic setting sites will go and use. When you come into a new site, when first using your camera, you'll go and get a pop-up about the site being able to use your camera. And you need to go and press allow. I'll guide you through that in a moment. And if you've got any sites set here which are not allowed to use your camera, you can come to the right, press the three dots and remove it. Then we can press back and you want to come down to microphone. Once again, choose the mic at the top here, I already have, and you want to select sites can ask to use your microphone. So then when we go onto a site we want to go and use it, we'll go and get the pop-up. Also, you can come into not allowed to use your microphone and press the three dots to the right of any sites here and go and remove them. Otherwise you can't use it. Just to show you the process, I've come to this webcammictest.com site and we're going to press start test. You then go and get this pop-up, and what you'll need to do is you can go and press allow while visiting the site, or this time it's up to you, and that's it. Now it's going to go and be working.